to me, Goose.
Roger, I got him. Contact 20 left at 30 miles, 900 knots closure.
Cougar, you hear that?
Roger. Merlin, you got him?
Roger, I've got radar contact. I'll get a visual ID, Cougar, you hook him.
Roger, and I'll clean him and fry him. Ha ha!
Mustang, this is Ghost Rider 203. I've got him inbound, bogey heading 270 at 10 miles, 900 knots closure.
Ghost Rider, take Angels 10, left 30.
Are we supposed to have visitors today?
Negative, sir.
Well, see if he's a single. Roger. Goose, you see a trailer?
Negative, Merlin. Looks like he's a single.
Cougar, I'm gonna go head-to-head with him.
Take it easy, Maverick. I don't like this shit. I'm gonna break high and right, see if he's really alone.
We got 1,000 knots closure, Mav. It's coming right at us.
Okay, buddy, what's on your mind?
Holy shit, there's two of them! Woo! Big 28s! No one's been this close before!
What the hell are they doing here? What's the position?
250 miles out, sir.
250 miles? Get them out of here.
Cougar, you've got Mig 1. I'm going after Mig 2.
I lost him in the sun. Shit, what's he doing? You got him, Merlin?
He's coming around on our tail! God damn it, this bogey's all over me!
All right, what's the range now?
200 miles, sir.
They break 150 miles, launch the Alert 5 aircraft.
Yes, sir.
Airspeed 300, go get him, Mav!
I'm going for missile lock. Let's see if we can scare this guy out of here. Come on, lock up, baby. Lock up, baby. Lock up. I got him locked. Bingo.
We got him, Mav. He's bugging out and going home.
Mustang, this is Maverick. Mig 2 is headed home.
All right, what's their position?
180 miles, bearing 010, sir.
Cougar, he's got missile lock on us. Get away from this guy! The hell is this shit? He's engaging me. God damn it, Mustang. This is Ghost Rider 117. This bogey's all over me. He's got missile lock on me. Do I have permission to fire?
Do not fire until fired upon.
Goose, there they are, right below us.
The MiG's in perfect firing position. He's right on Cougar's tail.
No way, Goose. He'd have fired by now. He's just trying to piss us off.
Maverick, get down here and get this asshole off me.
Easy, Cougar. Bring it back hard right. Help me engage. I'm on my way. I can't shoot this son of a bitch. Let's see if we can have a little fun with him.
Is this your idea of fun, Mav? Watch the birdie.
Jeez, I cracked myself up.
This is a great shot, Mav. I should be a photographer.
Cougar, your tail is clear, Mig 1's bugged out. Cougar, this is Maverick. We've had enough fun for one day, don't you think? I'm getting a little low on fuel, so we're heading home. We'll see you on deck.
Cougar, we're running low on gas. We gotta get out of here. Cougar. We're on vapor, Cougar. Let's do it. Cougar, come on, Cougar. Take it back to the ship, man. Come on, Cougar.
Get him on deck as soon as possible. He's got to be low on fuel.
Cougar, we gotta land this thing. We are way low on gas. You understand me? You all right, man?
Maverick, you're at 3/4 of a mile. Call the ball.
Roger. Maverick has a ball.
Cougar, it's time to land. Let's
Goose,
do it.
Cougar's in trouble.
Come on, Mav. We're getting low on gas. Let's land this sucker. Cougar!
God damn it, Maverick.
What are you doing, Mav? We've got no fuel for this.
We're going after Cougar.
You tell him to land that plane. That's an order.
Ghost Rider, you are instructed to land. Land immediately.
Any of you boys seen an aircraft carrier around here?
Man, we got a little problem up here. That MiG really screwed him up. I don't think he can make it back.
You're okay, Cougar. Just stay on my wing. I'll take you all the way in. Just stay with me. Easy, Cougar. Just a walk in the park, buddy. You're a little low. You're a little low, Coug. Come on, buddy, pull up. Pull up, Cougar. That's it. Almost there.